going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel here at STICKYHICKORYBBQ. Hey, if this is your first time, I want to thank you for tuning into the channel. Hit that like button, subscribe, and you're going to like what we're doing here. If you're coming back, I want to welcome you back. All right, guys, so today we're doing bone-in grilled pork chops on the Weber Kettle. I've already got it fired up. We're going to get this going. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. Hey, hit that like button, subscribe. We got these little lovey buggy things that we call down here just flying around. So excuse if you see that in the camera. But we got here from our local HEB, bone-in pork chops, right here. Pretty nice cut, nice and thick. Didn't cost us too much, inexpensive. That's what barbecue is, making the best out of inexpensive cuts. So we're gonna go ahead and get these out the package onto our cutting board and we're gonna start getting into this cook, all right? And the good thing about this, we ain't got to do too much prep work. Actually, we ain't got to do no prep work, so that's a good thing. So we just put them onto our cutting board, and we get right to business, all right? So first things first, we're gonna go on here with some avocado oil. I use avocado oil because it has a high smoke point. Just gonna go on here. We don't need too much. Rub it on there. So our seasoning can stick, and avocado oil is gonna give us a nice crispy skin, which we will so flip these over. Do the same thing to the other side on all four of these nice little chops. All right, and you can see right there, the thickness of that right there. It's a little thick. We got some thickness. We got about 2 C's on the thickness. So THICC. Let's add one more to that. C. All right, flip it over. Get all of them done. There we go. Got an avocado oil on there. Next, we're gonna go on with our rub. I'm using here War Pig's rub right here. As you can see, this stuff is great on pork. And this is called the ham grenade, all right? Give this stuff a try. You can get this at your local HEB. Everything I try to do here on this channel is just very local. It's either here in Houston, it's in Texas, or you know, it's black on. So let's get it. Let's go ahead and apply this. Open up this side. We're just gonna go on here with this, and it's got all of the brown sugar, the barbecue flavors that you're gonna need. So we're just gonna go ahead and get a nice little dose of that on there. About that much. Pat that in. And it's pretty hot out here in Houston, so it ain't gonna take no time for these to start sweating out. It's like spring, but it feels like summer, so I guess you could say it's goddamn sprung out here. So we're just gonna go ahead, about that much on these chops. Just like that. Pat that in. And y'all thought I wasn't gonna season those sides? Ain't no way in hell. Let's get it going. Flip them over, get it done. Just like that. All right, just like that. And we're gonna do that to all 4 of these chops. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these seasoned, and we'll be right back. So I'm cooking hot and fast today. So family's ready to eat. Actually, they're ready to get to the pool. So I gotta get this video done so that they can get to the pool. All right, so I've got a quarter chimney of charcoal already lit up and gone in there. I've got some cherry wood splits. That's gonna give that pork a nice flavor. Cherry wood on pork is phenomenal. You gotta love it. Give it a try, all right? So what I'm gonna do, I wanna get a little bit of smoke on here. So I'm just gonna take these chops indirectly, sit them right here on this side where we don't have any coals. Give them a little space. Look how that seasoning is adhered to that and stuck to that meat. Man, you know that's gonna be some good flavor right there. So let's go ahead and get those on there. Put that one right there. I'm gonna put that thick bone towards the fire. Take that meat, just like that. All right, we're gonna get it a few minutes, get this lid on, let that cook up a little bit. All right, bear with us, stay tuned. Out here in these hot Texas streets, smoking these meats, you know. All right, so it's been about 25 minutes or so. Went in here. This is what we're looking like right now. Can you see that? Look at that, guys. Beautiful pork. Just look at it. That season just did its thing on that, didn't it? Didn't it? All right. go ahead and sear them off. Let's get this lid off. All searing is, we're just gonna take these bad Larrys. We're gonna sit them right on top of the coals, get a nice little char, maybe some grill marks. We'll see what happens. And we'll go from there, all right? So I already got some glove liners on there so I can handle these hot boys with some gloves, because you know I gotta put gloves on unless the glove police or YouTuber watchers are gonna be after me. So let's go ahead and get this going. I'm gonna pick this bad boy up, slam it down just like that. Let's go get smoky. Press down on it. And I'm gonna do the same with this one. Just like that. Press down on it. And I'm just gonna do these 2 at a time for now. All right, I'm gonna let that sit on there for about maybe 45 seconds to a minute. We'll see. I'm really a by feel guy. I don't really have a certain time. So if I feel it's been on there long enough, it's been on there long enough. And I don't have no bad looking stuff on my channel. So just let that sear off. Yeah. While we're at it, let's just go ahead and squirt some bourbon on there. Might as well. I don't see why not. Let's pick this up and see what we're looking like. Oh yeah, let's go for a little bit more. A little bit longer, guys. Let's go ahead and flip these bad boys over. I think it's been long enough. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, that one's right there. That's the one. That's the one. Press down on it. Press down on it. Not to take too much of our seasoning off. Now that I got those seared off, nice. Those pork chops are looking real pretty. I'm gonna go ahead with this Rebel Red sauce from PORKCHOPS. My buddy over there sent me this. I'm gonna put this on these chops. Let's get it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put about that much on there, not too much. We just wanna glaze these. And what I like about this sauce is nice and thin already. So you just dab it on there. It has a pretty nice color, so it's gonna give this finished product a real nice color. And it has some decent flavors on there too. So we'll go ahead and set that on there, flip this over, do the other side. Then we'll get the other 2 chops done. And we'll be on with this cook. Like I said, just base it on there. Just a nice little glaze. Flip it back over, just like that. Just long enough for it to coat. And we're gonna sit this over here on the indirect side. And we're gonna get these other 2 over here to sear off, all right? And we're gonna repeat this process. Next time you see me, we'll be at the cutting board, getting ready for the taste test, all right? Hang in there. Here we are at the taste test. Got them pork chops looking, oh so good. Just admire that. Look at it. Beautiful work of art. Picasso. Let's eat. I'll take this bad boy right here because it's been eyeing me all day, the whole damn cook. I'm just gonna cut it like this. Look at that. Look at that. Ain't overcooked, still juicy. Perfect. Let's give it a taste. Ready? Ow. Mmm. The flavors. I'm really going for another taste. Oh my God. Oh, that's a bone. Damn, dude. It's peppery. I think that's coming from that barbecue sauce. Mmm. Sweet. Beautiful texture. It's juicy. It ain't dry. Most people overcook pork. But, you know, FDA recently said that pork is done at 145, and I think they made a good decision. Don't turn back now. That's why I'm sticking with it. You know what? Let's just stop playing with this damn pork chop. That shit fire. Bone-in pork chop, seasoned with War Pig's ham grenade, smoked on the Weber kettle, slightly for about 20 minutes. Got a little cherry flavor on there. This cherry wood just brought it out significantly. Cherry wood on pork, give it a try. Sear these bad boys off and give it a little light sear. Glaze them up. I can't stop thinking about it. I gotta hurry up in the video so I can go finish eating all of these. I ain't sharing with nobody. Guys, this is my pork chop recipe, grilled out on the Weber kettle, grilled pork chops. It's grilling season, break out the grills, let's go. If you give this recipe a try, make sure you tag me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. All of them goddamn social media sites I'm on. Find me. TikTok. Find me. Alright? Guys, this has been another great recipe. I'm DQ. I'm with Sticky Hickory Barbecue, and guess what? I'm out. Peace. Let's go.